Hi guys, it's me Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to discuss to you a highly requested topic which is all about how to remove or how to avoid copyright claims on song covers. Now, most of you already know that this channel is an educational slash music channel, okay? So, I'm just going to share to you my experiences and how I deal with those things. Pero bago natin yan pag-usapan, let's differentiate first what a copyright claim from what a copyright strike is. Now, copyright strike is more of a very serious thing and ito talaga yung dapat natin iwasan bilang content creators dito sa YouTube because it will really affect your channel. Now, first and foremost, if you will get a copyright strike, the copyright holder may remove your video and you won't be able to do live streaming, you won't be able to monetize that specific video of yours, you won't be able to upload a video that is more than 15 minutes, and the worst part, if you get 3 copyright strikes, your channel will be suspended or your channel will be terminated for good, diba? So, wala naman siguro sa atin na nangarap na ma-terminate yung channel natin as the days go by na nag-upload ka dito sa YouTube, diba? Now, copyright claim, on the other hand, does not really affect your channel that much. Now, the copyright holder can take the revenue on that video. The copyright holder can also play ads on your video. The copyright holder can restrict your video in some countries or regions because siguro merong mga sensitive stuff yung video na yun at hindi siya pwedeng ipakita sa ibang country na, alam mo na, conservative, ganun. And the last thing is that the copyright holder may choose to do nothing on your channel or your video. So yun yung pinagkaiba ng copyright strike sa copyright claim. Now, today we're going to focus about copyright claims on song covers. Now, sa pangalan pa lang na copyright claim, merong claimant or there's somebody else. It can be a person, it can be a company, a music company, a record label, ganun, na nagkiklaim that there's something in your video that isn't yours na pagmamay-ari daw nila. Now, pwede din ang original artist, composer, or mixer ang magkiklaim nito. Now, as stated in here, even if you're performing your own version of a composition someone else wrote, that songwriter and their publisher have a copyright stake in it. But this is only applicable sa mga songs na copyright protected. Now, the question is, how can we know that a song is copyright protected? Kasi hindi naman lahat ng kanta ay may copyright protection. Now, let's go to youtube.com/music_policies. And in here, we can see a directory list of songs and their current policies set by the copyright holders. So, let's try to search Regine Velasquez. So, alam naman natin na sobrang sikat niya, pati yung mga songs niya. So, yung first song na makikita natin dito is entitled Hanggang Ngayon by Ogie Alcacid with Regine Velasquez. So, let's look at the details of this song. Now, it says here that if you will use this song, yung playback niya is viewable worldwide. So, kanina sinabi ko that the copyright holder has the right to restrict your video in some countries or regions in the world kasi baka merong sensitive stuff or mga sensitive issues na hindi dapat i-play sa mga lugar na yon. Okay? So, alam nyo na yung ibig kong sabihin. So, yung playback niya dito is viewable worldwide and yung monetization niya is you can monetize this video. So, if ever you will use this song, you will take a portion of the song and then gagawin mo siyang parang background music sa vlog mo, then you can't monetize your video. But if you will perform a cover, yung playback niya is still the same, it's viewable worldwide, pero yung monetization niya dito is that it is eligible for revenue sharing. So, meron tayong tinatawag na revenue sharing. So, this is only applicable sa mga channel which is a part ng YouTube Partner Program or monetize na yung channel nila. So, ibig sabihin, if gagawa ka ng cover ng song na to, which is copyright protected nga, then you will share a portion of your revenue, yung kinita mo sa cover na to, with the claimant of the song. So, it can be Ogie or Regine or the music company na nag-handle sa kanila. But I'm not sure with the percentage kung gaano talaga kalaki yung mapupunta sa kanila at kung gaano din kalaki yung mapupunta sa'yo. Basta yung alam ko lang is that paghahatian nyo yung revenue na kinita mo using their song. Okay, so next natin na example is Moira de la Torre. And alam naman natin na sobrang sikat din na Moira and sobrang daming tao na gumagawa ng covers ng songs niya. Isa din ako doon, nakailang cover na din ako ng mga kanta ni Moira. So, here sa music policies, andito yung list ng mga songs ni Moira na mayroong copyright protection. So, if you will create a cover of a song na wala dito sa listahan, then you're safe. So, meaning, eligible siya na ma-monetize and then walang revenue sharing, guys. So, lahat ng kikitain mo sa cover na yun is mapupunta lang siya sa'yo and wala kang kahati. So, ayun. So, next natin na examples is Itchyworms and sobrang sikat din ng mga kanta nila. And here's a list of their songs na merong copyright protection. And almost all of their songs ay merong copyright protection. So, ayun nga, if you will create this, a cover of like Di Na Muli, so, eligible siya for revenue sharing. So, hahatiin nyo yung kikitain mo sa cover na yun with them. So ngayon, if ever na makakatanggap ka ng copyright claim na email or notification and then that specific video of yours becomes ineligible for monetization, then you can file a dispute. So ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon kung paano mag-file ng dispute. Pero take note, guys, ha, huwag kayong matakot if makakatanggap kayo ng notification na ganito because it doesn't affect your account status. Okay? So again, copyright claim is different from copyright strike. Pag copyright strike na notification yung matanggap mo, then dun ka na dapat matakot. So, ayun. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-file ng dispute. So that's it for our video today, guys, and I hope na meron kayong natutunan sa video na to. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions regarding these things, you may drop it on the comment section below. And you may also drop your song request kasi gagawa na ulit ako ng tutorials. So yun, I'll see you guys on my next video and make sure to subscribe. Bye!